Arjun, co-founder of Experian. Today, I'm excited to share with you something new we've been working on for all of you makers out there. Last year, in October, we've made our community public called Makers Guild. It's a community we've created after almost 5 failed attempts to really solve the day-to-day needs and pains of a maker. Like you, we also wanted to belong to a space which was full of creatives, a space which can embrace what makes us unique, a space which can empower us to connect, share, and learn continuously to become better and have fun along the way. That's why Makers Guild. But an always happening discussion space doesn't address all our needs. We're all busy bees. We can't connect and socialize all the time just because we need to understand something or to have access to some material. And to really learn, we need to be undistracted by the dings and dongs. We need a more private space where all the goodness of learning is available when you need it, without distractions. A cozy corner of sorts, or like a quiet library. Introducing Maker Shots. Maker Shots is not just another storage space. It's dynamic, focused, and well-organized space for both aspiring and professional makers. Like Makers Guild, this too will help further your daily growth. With Maker Shots, we wanted to save you time, energy, and attention in scouting for the right information, participating in the events you'd want to, and finding answers to those burning questions you may have. And we've addressed this with 3 core aspects that form the space: competencies, curations, and community. First up, competencies. Like Makers Guild, Maker Shots focuses on 3 core competencies: product design, product management, and no-code. As a maker, if you want to learn about any aspect under these, you will have learning paths which help you take a step-by-step approach to learning a subject, connecting with the right people in your domain, and access all the needed resources. Second, curations. It's hard to find the right information at the right time, especially in a creative field like ours, where there's a dearth of right knowledge and has many subjective aspects to it. So we're bringing highly curated information that has made a significant difference in our lives and helped us grow. From books to podcasts, communities to case studies, it's a more finely architected library of resources. Third is community. While community events are happening all the time, where our team brings valuable knowledge and wisdom, you may not be able to participate in each and every one. And if you're finding the information someone shared days ago in the guild, it's not easy. For those reasons, and to respect the collective knowledge we're all bringing together, we've added community aspects to Maker Shots. From community events like Learn Hours, Career Hours, and Build Hours to community shares and resources, you'll find all of it here. That's not all. If you have any question as a maker, you can just ask right here. If the question is already answered, we'll point you to it. Else, we will answer your question and put it here for anyone else having a similar question. This is something I wished I myself had this access when I started my career. As a maker, you'll pay a small fee for accessing these, as it takes time, energy, and resources to bring all this to you with a dedicated team and volunteers. The details will be provided along with this video below. And we are hoping this will help the makers ecosystem immensely. So to wrap it up on how all of this is coming together, we see Makers Guild as a hive, and the honey is available in Maker Shots on demand. If you're a bee, you know how to extract from the hive. But if you want a packaged honey bottle available for your bread tomorrow morning, it's available in Maker Shots. This is our very first version of Maker Shots. So in the coming days, we'll be continuously updating and upgrading this space. It's part of our next 1 billion seconds decision we took. So we all have a community that is so worthwhile to be in. So go ahead and explore this space. And if you like it, go ahead and share it with your friends and peers. Thank you for listening. I'll catch you again.